welcome to MCG University. In this video, we will be discussing how to create and update a price list. Price lists are used as a way to set pricing for customers and vendors. So you can have multiple price lists, or you can have one or two price lists. If you navigate to inventory, price lists, you will see the set designated prices for your company. As you can see, this first price list, which has a one-to-one relationship with itself. So here's the price list, base price. Its default base price list is itself, and it has a one-to-one relationship. So all that means is that whatever pricing you're putting in here is the designated price for this item. And if you see a second price list that is based off of another price list with a different factor. So in this case, we have a discount purchase price, and the base price is 0.5 of the base price. So as you can see, the original base price is 400, so this price will be 200. So if I were to update this price to 300, and we were to navigate to the other price list, you would see that it automatically updated this to reflect the new price. So it's a quick way, if these are all connected with each other, to update all price lists at the same time. There may be scenarios where you don't want those price lists to update, and in that case, you would select manual, which would not update based on new pricing updates. Now, I'm going to go ahead and create a new price list. So you can go to the bottom, right-click, and click Add Row. So I will select Update, and in this case, I don't want it to copy over anything. Now, it can copy over from another price list at a factor of 1 if it chooses, or you can set it to not do anything. So in this case, I'm just going to say yes to all. So this creates the price list based on itself. So there are simple ways that you can manually copy and paste this pricing to Excel, and then you can pull those prices back into your new price list. This is a quick way if you're working with a small set of items and just want to update things quickly. Now, if you have a larger set of items and you want to base it off of other prices, you can use what is called the Price Update Wizard. So in this case, I would like to update my new price list, but I'm going to base it off of the current base price. And I want a factor of 1.2, so 20% increase. If I wanted to do all items and just increase it by a certain percentage of itself, I could do that here. I want to go up of a factor of 1.2 from the current base price. Here's the selection criteria, which means I don't have to do everything in my price list. I may only want to update items that have a certain preferred vendor code, or I only want to update certain groups of items. I can update just item groups, But again, these are just filtrations of updating specific parts of a price list. So I'm going to say that I want to update everything. And here, what is the price list that I actually want to update? And that would be the MCG price. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And what this is going to do is it's going to give me a simulation of what I'm trying to update. So here you can see that this is the price list I'm updating. This is the current price that's in that price list. And this is what it's recommending that we modify it to. So I can pick and choose and say I only want to update certain items. Or if I want to update the entire thing, I can just left click at the top row and it will update everything. And then I just click execute. This process is actually a little bit quicker than the copy paste. So if I go back into that price list, we will see that I now have the original price, which is the base price. I've got the 1.2 factor, and I've got the new price. So anytime I change that base price, it will automatically update this price. Now, let's say we wanted to just update this individual price list. I want to multiply all of my items by an additional 5%. I will leave all these factors the same. And again, I am updating this newest price list. Again, it's telling me what the new prices list based on the current price. I will update all of them and execute that change. Close this out. And if I go back into the price list, now you will notice that all of these are ticked off, which means that even though this used to be based on the base price with a 1.2 factor, we have manually changed that through the update wizard to a different price. And all this means is if I go back and I change that base price, it will not change this price. So if I go here and I put this back to the original 400 and update it and navigate back, you will see that the pricing has not changed. Okay, and that's because these are all set up as manual. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Michell Consulting Group and visit us at mitchellgroup.com for more information.